This video tutorial provides an overview of the company's news and deals information, which is available on MarketLine and updated daily. You can access the company's information by clicking on the Companies tab here. The company's information helps our users keep up to date on the commercial space, review potential employers, and understand their competitors and customers. The MarketLine Companies database provides detailed profiles on over 100,000 companies. The company's interface allows users to identify key companies, benchmark companies, and refine and customize lists. Predefined lists are available in the left-hand corner. It's possible to benchmark the performance of particular companies. Refinement options are available in the left-hand bar for easy navigation and list building. It's also possible to see an integrated view of a company with related market data, reports, insights, deals, and core company information. An analytics section is available for each list of companies. The analytics section provides quick analysis on revenue and profitability trends. It also helps to spot revenue and profit clusters. It provides an overview of the top performing companies within your predefined list and provides a quick view of deal activity and news trends. Our financial deals database provides in-depth information on numerous types of financial deals occurring around the world. The database covers exhaustive profiles of each deal, league tables, and profiles of investors and advisors. The interface has dashboard and analytics sections to easily track trends, while its advanced search functionalities allow users to deep dive into this comprehensive database. The interface has dashboard and analytics sections to easily track trends, while its advanced search functionalities allow users to deep dive into this comprehensive database. MarketLine's news database enables you to keep abreast of the latest developments in your markets of interest. With a strong coverage on news pertaining to disruptive technologies and investment themes, we provide insights into the latest market trends and the evolving industry landscape. The homepage provides the top news curated by our editorial team, with the latest announcements and opinions from our analysts and journalists.